All right, so how to grow your e-commerce store specifically using website. So this is kind of one cool, really cool site. So this is PRX Performance. I keep mixing that up, but PRX Performance. So I was looking for a home gym for myself, and this was like the only one that would fit my garage, due to I had like this like cement thing that like went up 13 inches, and so I couldn't get quite a few different ones. But as I was going through their site, really good things, really cool products, like featured on Shark Tank. But it had some serious issues that I'd like to address and hopefully help you in your creating your own website. And maybe if you pass this along to them, they can fix the errors as well or tag them. So overall, of course, I signed up to get that 5% off. So I am on their email subscribing list for life, probably. So, anyways, kind of went in, lift big in small spaces. Love how they just kind of really hone in on what their product is, and then quickly adjust to upselling. A lot of different social proof here, which is always good. The only thing is this text might be a little small and fast to read. um, Anyways, so kind of going into their products. So I was looking at their fold up rack, so we're just going to go directly through their folding squat rack. So go through the way I was looking to purchase. So I won't lie, this was very overwhelming for me, and it took me a minute or two and some help with ChatGPT actually to figure out the difference between their Profile 1 and their Profile Pro squat racks. And yes, it took me a second too to realize that the name was slightly different. So that would be one recommendation I have, and maybe a comparison chart might be helpful. Exactly like this that I didn't see. Well, shoot. I was shopping on my mobile. I don't know if this was on the mobile. Let's quickly move over here. Well, shoot, I just didn't scroll down low enough. Oh gosh, dang it. So that is part of the shopping experience too. Is not everyone scrolls. Um, Anyways, there's some cool features out there too where you can like stick stuff in, and it could be like a sticky bar, so that way you can easily look through and pick ones that you want and want to compare. um, okay, anyways, let me click into the one I got. I am cheap, so I wanted the nicest one with um, the anyways, it was on sale because it was a blackout rack instead of color. That was the only difference, and it took me a while to figure that out as well. So, kind of going into um, their website a little bit here. So, first things first, their image, pretty clear what they sell. That's always good to have a white background. This is like this image was very helpful for me to kind of see exactly how it is, and then you can kind of scroll down and see how it goes up, which is I'm really excited about. It's coming this next week. And then the issues I had, had some good imagery here, but what I struggled with, because I needed to know the distance here, and I couldn't find that. Granted, that is not going to help everyone convert better. I might be a unique circumstance in that, but something that I felt like that they could have maybe demonstrated better is just having a graphic with like all the size and the weight and everything. It is in here if you scroll down and go to specifications. I was able to find it all here, but it might have been helpful. Also, something that always helps improve conversion. If you don't believe me, shop on Amazon and see how many have a video as the final image. But there were some helpful videos I found that I watched to help me understand how it works, what's the difference between this and other versions. So YouTube was an awesome tool with the help of ChatGPT to understand the difference between all their items. And so a YouTube video, like maybe make a partnership or something with one of the YouTube videos already out there and stick it on your site, it would really help increase their conversion quite a bit. And so, yeah, kind of going through here, this was all really nice. Other than that, like, the upsells, were pretty good. This cart was okay. If anyways, there's an app out there that I've been A/B testing with quite a few of my clients called Rebuy, and it allows you to have like a little, buy X amount to get free shipping, buy X amount to get this, buy X amount to get this, so increase your average order value. And this would be a good opportunity for them because, to be honest, I probably would have added more products in to get the $200 off their shipping easily. Like I would have bought so much more from them. Now, granted, I know that 200 is probably a hard cost for them, but I would have been willing to spend more to get that $200 off. To justify. Instead, I bought most of my weights and everything off Amazon, which was one of the cheapest ways to do it. So all I bought from them was the rack, and and this other, I forget what it's called. I bought one other thing, but mostly, they could sell a lot more by simply having upsells here and shipping bar or something there, like get free shipping at X or get a free gift. I mean, heck, I would have bought stuff to get a free gift easy with this big of a purchase for me. So yes, anyways, that's it. And then view cart. I'm actually curious, I didn't click this. Awesome. Something I've always done with every single client that has given a huge return, just simply, I've actually tested this versus others, but just put all your reviews down here, your reviews with pictures. Because as people go through, they'll see reviews, they'll see pictures, they'll see upsells. It's like a win-win. Okay, and then we'll go to checkout, and I searched around forever trying to get a free shipping checkout. There we go, a free shipping discount code, and I couldn't find one. So, anyways, that's something that, and of course, if you don't have Capital One to add all of them in here, it is absolutely awesome. So you can get yourself a little discount here. I couldn't find anything above 5%, so that's what you see here too. Anyways, so this is typical Shopify checkout. That's as good as it gets. So overall, what I would say, the things to do and the things to change for them, just kind of make their information on their product pages a little bit more user friendly. Add a video, put more emphasis on comparing their different products, and on top of that, they've got good reviews on their homepage, but do the same thing to your product page, to your cart page, and literally it's not going to help. Even if you were to put some review stuff on your checkout page, it would be helpful. And then finally, a checkout, a cart, a slide. If you got a slide out cart, use it. So spend X to get free shipping. Spend X to get a free 45-pound plate. I don't know, whatever you want to do. Get people to increase your AOV, because that's going to help your company a lot more in the long run. It's going to make your ad spend go a little bit farther. It's going to help you become a little bit more profitable if you get more money out of that one customer. So those would be my top recommendations. Yeah, that's it. This is probably overly long, but I thought I'd just share it all and all my in-depth. Overall, I'll say this on their homepage. It's really good, really clean. Again, make sure doesn't look like this is responsive. So I hope it works on mobile for them in all cases. Anyways, this isn't always the best way to check mobile, but mobile looked fine on my end when I went to their site, so I didn't have any issues. Anyways, my goal is to become like this guy this year, so we'll see if I can do it. So anyways, hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully you can find some things with your website. If you need any help on your current website or would like a free audit, please let me know. I'm happy to help, and it's just something I am passionate about and I love to do. So yeah, that's all.